How to change country in Amazon Prime videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your country in your Amazon Prime videos. So first of all, just go to your Chrome browser and open your Amazon Prime account and just click on the first link right here. And after that, just log into your account and click on the profile icon at the top right. And from here, just go to accounts and settings. Now, all you have to do is just click on edit on Amazon to change your name, mobile number, password and more details. Just click on edit on Amazon. And now you have to enter your password and just click on sign in. Now a verification code will be sent to your phone number or email address, whatever you have chosen. So just enter the verification code right here. Click on submit code and now enter your password again and click on sign in. Now as you can see that there are your login and security details. From there just click on accounts and list and now just scroll down and under the digital content and devices just click on content and device. Now go to the preference section and here you will see this option called country, region and setting. Just click on change your country and now you can go ahead and click on change the country again and select the country of your choice. So in order to change the country, you have to enter your name and fill in the details like your complete address along with the state or the country of your preference, and after that just go ahead and click on update, and this is how you will be able to change your country in Amazon Prime Video. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.